Andrews lost HRH, all military titles by Queen and William's decision at Windsor for his court case. The Queen has stripped Prince Andrew of all his military titles and royal patronages in light of the latest ruling in the civil case being brought against him by Virginia Giuffre. He will no longer be able to use his HRH title, Buckingham Palace said. It also said he will defend the court case as a private citizen. This comes after Judge Lewis Kaplan ruled that the civil case against Prince Andrew can proceed to trial, after the royals' lawyers attempted to get the case dismissed. Andrew's defense team cited a 2009 deal signed by Ms. Giuffre and convicted offender Jeffrey Epstein, which saw Ms. Giuffre agree not to sue any potential defendants. He will face a civil case in the US over allegations he sexually abused Ms. Giuffre in 2001 when she was 17. Ms. Giuffre claims she was trafficked by Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell to be abused by Andrew. The 61-year-old royal has strenuously denied the allegations. In a statement, Buckingham Palace said, with the Queen's approval and agreement, the Duke of York's military affiliations and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen. The Duke of York will continue not to undertake any public duties and is defending this case as a private citizen. A royal source told Reuters Andrew would no longer use the title His Royal Highness in any official capacity and his other roles would be distributed among other members of the royal family. The source said they would not return to Andrew. In the conclusion of his ruling, Judge Kaplan said, for the foregoing reasons, defendant's motion to dismiss the complaint or for a more definite statement is denied in all respects. A source close to Andrew told ITV, given the robustness with which Judge Kaplan greeted our arguments, we are unsurprised by the ruling. However, it was not a judgment on the merits of Ms. Giuffre's allegations. This is a marathon, not a sprint, and the Duke will continue to defend himself against these claims. Ms. Giuffre's legal team said she was very pleased with the ruling. Her lawyer, David Boyes, told, Virginia is obviously very pleased with the court's decision. It is only one step in the process. It does not resolve the case on the merits. It simply rejects certain legal defenses that Prince Andrew was putting up to avoid a trial. Prince Andrew has been stripped of his military affiliations and royal patronages. The Queen made her mind up on Wednesday, after a summit with future King Prince William at her Windsor Castle home. The Queen has stripped Prince Andrew of his military affiliations and royal patronages, as it was confirmed by sources he will never return to official duties. And the Duke of York can no longer use the title His Royal Highness in any official capacity. Insiders said he will fade away from public life forever. The exclusively reveal the Queen ruthlessly made her mind up on Wednesday, after a summit with future King Prince William at her Windsor Castle home. She decided that Andrew, mired in sex abuse claims and now facing a civil trial, should be stripped of his affiliations and patronages. Andrew, 61, was summoned by his mum today to be told of her move. He looked pensive as he arrived. The ruthless decision came less than 24 hours after New York Judge Lewis Kaplan ruled he must face a civil trial on allegations with Virginia Giuffre when she was 17. He denies the accusations. But he will now have to face his trial as an ordinary citizen. Buckingham Palace said, with the Queen's approval and agreement, the Duke of York's military affiliations and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen. He will continue not to undertake any public duties and is defending this case as a private citizen. William met the Queen in her private quarters at Windsor Castle, where sources said it was decided the axe should swiftly fall on Andrew's royal career. A royal source said last night the Duke of Cambridge was locked in talks for more than an hour with his gran.